Jumping into that after multiplication, go ahead and title your paper fractions, like I already have, and we're going to talk about what a fraction is. So a fraction is, a fraction is just part of a whole. Fraction, put a colon, part of a whole. And it's actually an equal part of a whole, so we put equal. And when I say whole, I don't mean a hole in the ground, I mean a whole thing. So let's pretend we have a candy bar, and we want to divide it among 3 friends. So I have 1 part, 2 parts, and 3 parts. So I have this one, and this one. If I gave away one of those parts, that's one of the 3 parts. So you would say 1 of 3, 1/3. So it's divided into 3 parts, so you call them thirds. And so one of that would be thirds. If I did another part and I have both of those parts, 2 of that, it would be 2/3. And if I gave away all my pieces, it would be 3/3, which is really just one whole candy bar. 3/3. Let's look at halves. So let's pretend I have a pizza, and I divide it into two parts. Here's 1 part and 2 parts. And on this part I have pepperonis, and on this part I just have cheese. So for the pepperonis, 1/2 or 1 out of 2 is pepperoni, and 1/2 is cheese. So 1 out of 2 parts. So when they ask you to color in 1/4 out of this, so we divide it into 4 parts, then you color in one of those 4 parts. If it were 1/3 of this, or 2/3 of this, let's say, so we go 2/3, we color in 2 parts. And that's it. So that's kind of just a beginning idea of fractions. Remember to take your notes so you're ready tomorrow.